Are you aware carbon builds up in your vehicle engine, restricting its efficiency and performance? This causes the engine to use more fuel, reduce power and performance, increases emissions, which can lead to MOT emissions test failures, and worst of all, cause failure of expensive engine components through excessive wear and tear. This carbon clogging is caused by stop and start city traffic, poor quality and poorly refined fuels, ever-reducing speed limits, and of course, the newer the engine, the more emissions restrictions. This issue affects all petrol and diesel vehicles of any age and above 20,000 miles. Our mobile technicians are here to clean and restore efficiency in your cars, motorcycles, trucks, lorries, and buses. Boats, tractors, and other agricultural machinery, and plant machinery such as generators and diggers. Our hydrogen-based engine decarbonizing system will remove the excess carbon from an engine in a non-intrusive manner within 30 to 45 minutes. As the hydrogen interacts with the carbon inside your vehicle engine, it safely breaks it back down into gas, hydrocarbons, so that it can exit the exhaust without any risk to your engine. This includes components such as intake valves, combustion chamber, including cylinder heads, and spark plugs. Engine gas recirculation valve. Turbos. Catalytic converters or diesel particulate filters. So out of breath. That was a tight squeeze, but well worth it. We've now restored fuel efficiency by as much as 10%. There'll be a noticeable increase in power and performance. The engine will be quieter and smoother, emissions will lower, and we've potentially prevented the need for expensive repairs, all in a simple and safe 30-minute process. So whether it's your daily drive, sports car, commercial vehicle, or any other petrol or diesel engine that needs a clean, we are fully insured and mobile. Give us a call. See you soon!